Okay. So we should probably head.
Should I say go?
No, we need
I
to.
think they'll just know when we're off.
Yeah, we might as either way they're gonna know, so we might as well just go straight. We should kind of go like right through the fort, so that way if we get attacked, we'll be like right by that. We can use that for cover.
So go around the fort and around the tree, like those 3 trees right there.
Yeah, right through there. That'd be good.
They're still hiding, so just wait a couple more.
Don't worry, Mr. President. You'll be safe.
Is it filming?
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to go on the game now?
So we're doing we have to like we're doing like we have to escort the president here, who is Marcus. We have to get him all the way over to that foresty area, which is over there. So what the assassins are trying to do, which is Kurt and Michael, they have to try and, while we're, escorting them, they have to pick us off. Mainly, they have to pick off our president here. He's the president of Fudgios, if you're wondering. There he is. So yeah, they have to kill him. If they kill him, they win the game automatically.
Everybody has 1 life.
Everybody has 1 life. If we get in the way, they can kill us. It's optional. They don't have to kill us, but it's easier. So I think they're just about ready. I can still see Kurt walking around. I think Michael's in position. So once we're ready to go, we're ready to go.
This is going to be a great map.
Yeah, we're rocking the U.S. government like M4s just to look like U.S. military guys. Because we got the exact same gun. The only difference is I got the red dot sight. Yeah.
Okay,
That's kind of it. I'm guessing they're ready, so we'll head in. I'm going on here.
The president's there behind.
Here, I'll go up ahead. Because they're laying up ahead. Keep your eyes peeled, boys.
Head around.
Hold on, stop.
Someone should always be in front of me.
Yeah. I see somebody. Red dot
Mr.
on.
President.
Yeah, I see movement. Oh, come on. This thing's not even firing. Don't see movement. Boy, I don't see movement.
Marcus, the camera's facing down.
Alright, I got somebody. That was Michael. Okay, we need to find Kurt.
Kurt has
Don't worry,
the big
Mr. President.
sniper.
You'll
Get in front of me.
Okay. There's one assassin. Okay. Here, Eric, you guard and I'll go around.
Yeah. Stay behind me. Stay down, Mr. President. Stay down.
You did good. I'm just barely missing him too.
I know. Got him.
I thought we hit him a long time ago too. So we win?
Can I stop recording?
Yes, you can. Okay.